Renaming a file or folder is a fairly simple process and is done using the ren command. Let's rename a file as an example. With a command prompt window open, use the cd command to navigate to the correct path and then type in the following command. Ren, old file name, new file name. If we were renaming a directory here, the command would be as follows. Ren, old directory, new directory. Note that the ren command only works on files or directories that are in the current working directory. Moving files or directories is exactly the same, except that we use the move command as follows. Move, old file or directory, new file or directory. Note that a directory can't be moved if you are currently inside it, meaning that you'll need to change directory to another location before the directory can be moved. If you want to verify that a file has been moved to the correct place, navigate to the correct path using the cd command, then use the dir command to view a listing of all the files and folders within a directory and make sure that the file or directory name is listed on screen. Note that there are certain names for files that are reserved. A notable example that I discovered some years ago is that no file or directory on any Windows system can be named con, as this is a reserved word. Now that we've gone over renaming and moving files and directories, let's move on to deleting files and directories.